You think Visa is a credit card company. That's adorable. It's not. It's a toll booth on every swipe you make, and almost nobody who owns the stock can actually explain what the hell they own.
Rewind to 1958. Bank of America drops the first general-purpose credit card, Bank AmeriCard, in Fresno, California. The problem wasn't plastic. It was that every bank had its own card, and merchants hated dealing with 30 different systems. It was a fragmented mess, so here is the machine they built. Imagine every time you swipe, there is an invisible toll booth. Visa doesn't lend you a single dollar. They don't carry debt, they're the rails. The pipes that connect your bank to the merchant's bank, and they take a microscopic toll on every transaction. That toll is called the take rate, and it is usually less than 0.25%. But multiply that by the entire planet swiping, tapping, and clicking, and you start to see the real business. The clever bet was in 2007. Visa was a cooperative owned by the banks, a clunky club. They restructured, went public in 2008 at $44 a share, and untethered themselves from the bank's balance sheets. They became a pure-play toll collector, immune to credit risk. Here is why that matters. While banks drown in charge-offs during a recession, Visa just keeps clipping tickets. The network fee isn't a loan, it is a tiny income stream on every transaction, rain or shine. The inflection point was the death of cash. COVID didn't just boost digital payments, it shoved a decade of adoption into 10 months. Contactless taps went from, "that is weird," to default. Suddenly, even the bodega on the corner was running on Visa's rails. Then came the fintech explosion. Every neobank, every BNPL app, every crypto debit card. All of them plug into the same network. Visa becomes the arms dealer in the payments war. The numbers are stupid. In fiscal 2022, Visa processed $11.6 trillion in payment volume. Yes, trillion with a T. They booked $29.3 billion in revenue off that. That is a take rate of about 2.5% on net revenue. But on gross dollar volume, it is a fraction of a percent. The magic is scale. The toll is invisible to you, but compounding it over the global economy prints money. And the stock. From a split-adjusted $14 at IPO to over $220 today. Market cap, $500 billion. That is more than JPMorgan. And Visa doesn't lend a penny. So next time you pull out that little piece of plastic, remember, you are not borrowing money from Visa. You are just paying the toll. A quiet, invisible, world-spanning toll road, and you don't even get an S-Pass.